Namaste, this is Ramesh Naidu from Target School. Today topic cube roots for 8th class students, right? In the previous video we discussed about square roots, right? By using prime factorization method. So in this video we discuss about cube roots of numbers. So how we find a cube root of given numbers by using prime factorization method, right? Yes, listen carefully. Prime factorization method, the first one. Find the cubic root of 512. See, we should write 3 inside the square root, right? Cubic root, it read as cubic root or third root, right? So cubic root of 512 is equal to dash. Yes. So by using prime factorization method, okay? Yes. So in this method, first we have to write the given number as the product of primes, right? So 512, the number is 512. So write 512 as a product of primes. We divide with the prime numbers only. 512, it is an even number. Even numbers are always exactly divisible by 2, right? It goes to 2. 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4, 1 is there. 1 1, 11. 2 5s are 10, 11 minus 10, 1 is there. 2 6s are 12, right? Again 2, it is even. 2 1s 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4, 1 is there. 2 8s are 16. So again 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Again 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. Yes. So 2 is a prime number. Now stop this division, right? Yes. So 512 can be written as, see like this, in square roots we group 2 numbers, but in cube roots we group 3 numbers, right? So 2 into 2 into 2, it is one group. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube, right? Yes. And again 2 into 2 into 2, that is one group. Next, it is one group, right? Yes, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 cube, into next 2 cube, into next 2 cube, right? So this is the first step. First we have to write the given number as the product of primes like this. If square root asking means we group 2 numbers, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square like this. But finding cube roots, we group 3 numbers like this, right? Now, 512 can be written as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 whole cube, right? We write a whole cube form, right? By using exponential laws. Now, cubic root, therefore, cubic root 512 is equal to, take a cubic root on both sides. So here we have to find cubic root 512. That's why we should take cubic root on both sides. Here cubic root 512. Here also cubic root 2 into 2 into 2 whole cube, right? Here cubic root cancel. So in square root we cancel the square root. But in cubic root cube root cancel. Okay? Yes. Cubic root 512 is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Right? So 8 is the cubic root of 512. See? So it is very easy. First of all, we have to write as the product of primes like this way, and write in cubes, and take cubic root on both sides. That is the answer. Okay? Yes, let me do next problem, second problem. So take second problem. Cubed root 729. Cubed root of 729. Don't write like this, 3 root of 729. So it is different from this, right? It is cubed root of 729. It is 3 root 729. It is wrong, right? So this is the correct. Cubed root 729 is equal to dash. So in the same way, first I have to write the given number as the product of primes. The number is 729, right? So 729, it is not an even number, it is odd number, right? It goes to 3. So the second prime number is 3. So once again listen, the prime numbers are like this: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, like this. These are all prime numbers. So prime numbers have only two factors, that is 1 and itself, right? So 1 and itself only factors. There is no other factors. Such type of numbers are called prime numbers. Okay? Yes, it goes to 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 is there. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again it goes to 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s. Next 3 2s are 6, 2 is there. 3 7s are 21. Next 3 9s are 27. Last 3 3s are 9. 3 is a prime number. Then stop. Okay? Yes. 729 write as the product of primes. So here we need to find the cubic root. So that's why we should take 3 numbers as a single group, right? 3 numbers. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. Into. Again 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube, like this, right? So 729 can be written as 3 into 3 whole cube, right? So a to the power of m into a to the power of b to the power of n can be written as a into b whole to the power of m, like this formula. A to the power of m into b to the power of m can be written as a into b whole to the power of m. So product of power by product of power property, a into b whole power m can be written as a power m into b power m, right? So we write a reverse. A power m into b power m can be written as a into b whole power m, right? So here also 3 cube into 3 cube can be written as 3 into 3 whole cube, right? So now take a cubic root on both sides. Cubic root of 729 is equal to cubic root of 3 into 3 whole cube. Here cubic root cancel, right? So cubic root of 729 is equal to 3 3s are 9. So 9 is it's a cubic root, right? So this is the method of finding cube roots. Okay. Yes. Go for next problem. Yes, it is completed. This is for you homework. Try yourself. Now I will do this problem. These two are also homework, right? It is also homework. So third homework and fifth homework, sixth also homework. I will do fourth problem, right? Yes, fourth problem. Cubic root 4096. Cubic root of 4096. Yes. So first write the given number as the product of primes. 4096. is an even number, it goes to 2, the first prime number. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 is there, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 10s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Next to 2 5s are 10, 2 1s, 2 2s are. Next to 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are, 1 is there, 10, 2 6s are 12. Next to 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 8s, 2 128s, 2 64s, 2 32s, 2 16s, 2 8s, 2 4s, 2 2s. Right? See, 3 group. 2 into 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, and 2 cube. So 4096 can be written as 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube, right? 4096 is equal to, it can be written as a product of power 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole cube, right? That is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 cube. Okay. Now take cubic root on both sides. Cubic root 4096 is equal to cubic root 16 cube. Here cubic root cancel. That is equal to 16. 16 is its answer. Right? So this is the method of finding cube roots. Okay? Note down this homework. Third problem homework, and the fifth one homework. Sixth one also homework. Try yourself. Yes, finding cube roots we use through estimation, right? This is the second method. So the first one is prime factorization method. So already completed. Now we discuss about the estimation method. How is we estimate the cube root of given number, right? See, find the cube root of 4096 through estimation. Estimation means అంచనా వేయడం, means guess చేయడం, ఇలా ఉంటుంది అలా ఉంటుంది అని ఊహించడం, right? So it is one of the easiest method. Observe carefully. First of all, write the given number like this: 4096. Right? Given number like this. And next, we have to group from right to group of 3 from right to left. See, so for this number we have to group 3 numbers from right to left. So from right to 3 numbers, 1 2 3. So this is one group. Okay, it is a first group. Right? That is first group. So from right to it is first group. Next group 4. Here any number is not there means we write 0 0. Right? It is a second group. Okay. So in this the first step, observe carefully. The first step, write the number like this and how to group of 3 from right to left. So 4096 from right to 1 2 3. These 3 digits are first group, and the next 4. There is no remaining numbers means we write 0 0, right? 0 0 4 means 4 only. So it is a second group, right? So we have to divide the number into 2 groups from right to left. So here the group of 3. Okay? Yes, this is the first step. The next step, second step is in first group. In first group, the number is 096 means 96. Okay? Only 96. 096 means okay. 096 whole cube. See? In first group, 096 whole cube end with which digit? So 096 whole cube end with which digits? Here the units place is 6. Observe carefully. Units place is 6. 6 cube. 6 6 are 36. See? 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36 into 6. 6 6 are 36. So end with the digit 6. So we have to guess the units digit cube end with digit. Here 6 means 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 is units digit. Into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 is units digit. Right? So in first group 096 whole cube. So this number cube end with digit, last digit, that is units digit. End with digit 6. Right? So don't take total number, only units digit. Right? So units digit end with digit 6. Units digit cube end with digit 6. Suppose here 2 is there means 2 cube. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. End with digit 8. Right? Here 6 is end with 6. Right? Suppose here 3 is there means 3 cube. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. End with digit 7. Right? So here we should take units digit only. Right? Next, first group completed. Next, in second group, in second group, 004 means 4. 4 lie between 1 cube and that is 4 and 2 cube. See, 4 lie between. So here the number is 4. 4 lie between 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8. See, 1 cube 1 less than 4 less than 2 cube 8. See, so in the second group the number lie between perfect cubes 1 and 8, lie between 1 and 8. So 1 cube and 2 cube madhyalo untundi 4. Okay, so this is the next step. So in this 4 lie between 1 cube and 2 cube. In this, which is small, that is 1. That is 1. We should take 1 in tens place. Right? So that is 1. Here small number is 1. Here small number is 1. Right? So the first step, once again listen, the first step how to group 3 digits from right to left, and in second group the cube of this units digit end with 6, it comes in units place, and the next second group the number 4 lie between 1 cube and 2 cube. So in this 1 and 8, in this the smallest one, so it becomes tens place. Now we decide, we estimate the result. Therefore, cube root of 4096 is equal to, yes, this comes in units place 6, and here the small number it comes in tens place. So 16 is its cube root is equal to 16. Okay. So let me do one more problem. It is common. The first step, second step, third step. The fourth step is answer. So it comes in units place and small number it comes in tens place, right? Okay, let me do one more problem. Yes, take second problem. Cubic root 2197 is equal to dash, right? So observe carefully, have to follow previous rules. First, write the given number, divide the given number in parts, means groups of 3 digits. So 2197. So 197 is first group, 197 from right to left. Here 2 is there. Left side zeros are there, right? See, it is first group and it is the second group. So this is the first step. The second step, in first group, in first group 197 cube end with digit. So 197 cube end with digit means units place. So 7, here units place is 7. 7 cube, 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49 into 7. 7 nines are 63. So 7 cube end with digit 3, right? 3. So it comes in a units place, right? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Units digit 7, right? So 197 whole cube end with the digit 3. So that is the second step. It comes in which place? Units place. Cubic root 2197 is equal to 3. It comes in units place. Now tens place. So this is the 10th place. Next, in second group, third step. In second group, the number is 2. These two lie between 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8. So here 2 lie between 1 and 8. See, 1 cube and 2 cube madhyalo untundi. So its the smallest number is, here smallest number is 1, right? Here small number is 1. So this one comes in tens place, right? 13 is its answer. Cubic root 2197. Answer is 13. Okay. So this is the process. So it is very interesting estimation method. So there is no difficulty. So first of all, you have to group like this, and next in first group, the cube of this number end with the digit, that is 3, comes in units place, and the second group 2 lie between 1 cube and 2 cube. In this, the small is 1. We select its nearer value, right? Its nearer, that is 1. It comes in tens place, right? Yes, let me do one more problem. It is completed. Now, third problem. So, this is a homework for you. Try yourself. Okay? Cubic root 3375. 3375. Right? Yes. So what is the first step? So divide two groups from right to left with three digits. Okay. First three, one group 375. It is first group 375 places at 3. Left side zeros are there. So it is the first group, right? And it is a second group. Okay. Next, in first group, three, 7, 5 whole cube. End with digit. So units place. End with the units place. 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 square. 5 to 5. 25. 25 is 125. So 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power 4, 5 power anything. End with digit 5 only. Right? Digit 5 that comes in units place. Next, in second group, the number is 3. 3 lie between 1 cube and 2 cube. Right? 1 cube 1 less than 3 less than 8. Here the small number is 1. It comes in tens place. So 1 is it's a nearer number, but 8 is a very heavy number. That is greater. That's why we should take 1 only. Here small number is 1, right? So therefore cubic root of 3375 is equal to, see, so it comes in units place 5 and it comes in tens place, see, 15. Cubic root 3375 value is 15, right? So this is the process.